Hi, I'm Commodities and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the currency pairs Luno offers to USDC. So USDC, like I said in the previous video on this topic, you can also check that out. That will be down in the description where you can buy USDC coin with ZAR. That video will be down in the description and there will be a card on top. So in the previous video I said you how to do a simple market buy of USDC. So today I'm just going to show you the currency pairs Luno offers. So let's just do a recap. So USDC coin is a coin that is pegged 1-to-1 to the dollar. You can use this as a tool to hedge against the ZAR dropping. Like I said here, the ZAR has been decreasing 1% against the dollar. So you can use this if you want the ZAR and you want some dollar. You can always buy the ZAR and transfer that into dollars. So Luno allows you to do that. So you can say it's like forex but using a stable coins. So once you get that, you can do that here. So let's just go into the exchange to show the currency pairs Luno offers. This video will be short. You can do your own research a little bit more. I'm just going to show you how you can do it. There will be a video if you haven't seen this interface before. There will be a video for that also in the Luno playlist. So here we go. So if you wanted to change to the USD pair, there will be here next to the Luno thing, there will be the pair. So this is all the pairs Luno offers. As you can see, there's two: Bitcoin to USDC and Ethereum to USDC. So Ethereum, I'm just going to do the Bitcoin. The Ethereum will be the exact same thing. So I'm just going to show you the Bitcoin one. So you're going to click on Bitcoin to USDC. So as you can see, Bitcoin is $35,634. Wow, a mouthful. So if you wanted to buy Bitcoin with your USDC, you'll click on buy your top. This is obviously the same as sell. You should know this by now. You click on buy. As you can see, it will give us the max at which we want to buy. So we'll click something, we say we want to buy 30,000, 1, 2, 3, and that will be where we will buy. So if we place buy, it will say, are you sure you want to buy at, you're gonna buy 0.0 at USD when it hits 30,000. So we'll say place order. As you can see, open orders. So we'll buy $27 worth of Bitcoin only when Bitcoin hits $30,000. So this is the USDC to Bitcoin pair. So if we wanted to sell our Bitcoin, at the moment we have 3,000 rands worth of Bitcoin. So if we go to sell, so now we want to sell when Bitcoin hits $40,000. Let's say 41, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to ask us how much do we want. Let's see, for example, if we press max. So if we sell our full amount of Bitcoin, we'll get $265,000. Wow, imagine we'll get $265, which is equivalent to approximately 4,000 rand if you did the math. So we will say place sell. Remember, we will only sell our Bitcoin once it hit $41,000. Let's just make sure. Oopsie. As you can see, we'll get that amount. So we'll say sell, say max. See, and once we place that order, the sell order should display right. As you can see, we will sell 0.064 Bitcoin at $41. So this is exactly the same as the ZAR pair. The ZAR pair to Bitcoin. Now you're just using it the dollars. So like I said, if you want to hedge against the South African rand dropping to the USD dollars, you can do it. Or if you're seeing the dollars is going to drop, you can always go back to ZAR. So it's like a mini forex system inside Luno. So it's exactly the same thing with the Ethereum to USDC. If you go back, as you can see, the USDC is dropping against Ethereum, is pumping at the moment. It's going to be the exact same thing. Say we wanted to buy, you'll say at which price. Say Ethereum is $1,500. They say we wanted to buy when Ethereum to the US dollars is 1,000. Let's say they can ask us how much dollars we wanted to buy, let's say $10, and we say we don't obviously have now at the moment because we did that pair. We will say buy Ethereum. So that is the exchange buy with the new currency pair USDC compared to Ethereum / Bitcoin. If you learn anything new in today's video or any other questions, don't hesitate to comment down below, and also leaving a like and also subscribing, because I can always make another video or two to educate you guys in this type of field. So until next time, peace out.